There's a little known digital product that's already making an impressive result and barely anyone selling it. I recreated it in minutes using a simple AI prompt with this powerful AI tool I just found. In today's video, I'll show you how I found this profitable digital product, how I made it with AI, and how you can also make it print ready with PrintKK. In order to find a digital product that was performing well, I decided to install the Alura browser extension to make my research more accurate. This tool helps analyze Etsy listings, so I searched for botanical clipart and clicked on the Alura icon. From there, I could easily view product insights, including listing details and activity history. Using this tool, I came across a digital product called the Spring Clipart Bundle. It's labeled as a bestseller, which suggests strong buyer interest. It currently shows it performed well in the last 24 hours, and when switching the reviews to most recent, you can see that customers are still actively purchasing it. For example, one customer mentioned they would buy it again, which reflects positive reception. Information like this shows that this style of design continues to attract attention from buyers. One great thing about clipart is that the same artwork can also be applied to a physical product. This allows you to reach different types of customers using a single design. Even when clipart is sold as a digital file, buyers still need to print and apply it to a physical item themselves. Offering a ready-to-use printed version can make the process more convenient for customers. This is where a print-on-demand platform comes in, and I found PrintKK to be a good fit for this workflow. With a platform like PrintKK, creating physical products is straightforward. PrintKK offers a wide range of white label items that you can easily apply your designs to. It also integrates directly with popular online stores. Your design syncs automatically with your store, and when an order is placed, PrintKK manages the printing and shipping process. Keep watching because I'll walk you through how to set everything up step by step. Now, to create a clipart design inspired by this trend using AI, I'll be using PrintKK AI. First, create an account, then click Start Free AI Trial. Since this tool uses an image-to-image system, we'll need a reference image. So I went to Etsy, captured a screenshot of a trending floral clipart design, and uploaded it to the AI platform. Next, I selected the second AI model because it allows me to write my own prompt and adjust the similarity level. After that, I entered my prompt in the format. In a white background, imagine a farmhouse, mason jar filled with colorful wildflowers tied with twine in a watercolor art style. Once I was done, I slightly lowered the reference similarity so the design would stay inspired by the original style without being duplicated. Then I set the aspect ratio to 1:1, since this is intended for clipart. Once the image was generated, here's the result. As you can see, it captures the same style while remaining clearly original. Tools like this make the design process more accessible, flexible, and efficient. If you'd like to explore more of these clipart ideas, I've put together a free list of prompts you can use. You'll find a link in the description. And a special thank you to my Patreon supporters for supporting this tutorial. Now, to prepare the design for physical products, let's move over to PrintKK. Before anything else, we need to connect our online store to PrintKK. To do this, click on Store, select Etsy, and Etsy will prompt you to grant access. Click Grant Access, and your store will be connected in just a few moments. After that, go to the product section and select any white label product you'd like to work with. For this video, I'll be choosing this white label product because it fits the design well. After selecting the product, upload your design into PrintKK and position it so it fits properly within the frame. When that's done, you can upload it to your store immediately or save it and go to My Designs to adjust the product details directly inside PrintKK. Now, in order to add your product description, perfect using PrintKK, I have similar videos on my channel that can guide you through. I hope this video helped you see how AI tools can simplify the creative process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.